Good morning, students. Today we are starting new chapter number 7, getting to know plants. So as you know that plants play an important role in our existence and all living beings depends on plants for food and shelter. And you know that plants give us oxygen, food, wood and medicines, and plants also provide useful substances like as we have discussed earlier, that wood and medicines. So now we are discussing about the different types of plants. Like you can see that part first of all we are discussing about the types of plants like trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, and creepers. So first of all, we are discussing about trees. So as you can see that trees are tall plant with thick, hard and woody stem. And the stem is called the trunk. You can see the thick and strong stem that is divided into the branches. And this is known as trunk. Now we are discussing about that you can see the big brown woody stem that is known as trunk, and they need large space for spreading their branches. As you can see that branches grow high above the ground, and trees live for many years. And you can see the different trees here like coconut, mango, neem, ashoka. So these are the different examples of the tree like pine, banyan. So these are the examples of trees. Now we are discussing about the next type of plant, that is shrubs. As you can see that shrubs are plants with thin, hard, woody stems, and you can see that these are shorter in size if we are comparing with trees, and these have hard thin stems and have branches at the base near the ground. And you can see that here you can see that they not have a single trunk. Many thin brown woody stems are there, and they need smaller space for spreading their branches. Live for shorter time. So these were the characters of shrubs. So for example, if we are discussing about examples, so like rose, hibiscus, cotton. So these are the medium sized plants which are known as shrubs. So they grow to a medium height and the stem branches near the base of the plant. Hibiscus, rose, cotton. So these are the examples of the shrubs. So now we will discuss about the next type of plant, that is herbs. So herbs are plants with soft and thin green stem. They usually short in height and they do not have many branches. As you can see in this animation, they do not live for more than a few months. As you can see that they have the weak thin stem and they are sufficiently strong to let the plant stand upright on the ground. They do not live for more than a few months. So for example, if you're talking about coriander, mustard, tomato, so these are the examples of the herbs. They not have many branches as you can see in this animation. They have a short lifetime. Okay, so these are the examples of herbs like aloe vera, tulsi, wheat, coriander, spinach, paddy. So these are the examples of the herbs. Now we are discussing about creepers. So what are creepers? So now as you can see that some plants have weak stems. They cannot stand upright without support. These plants grow along the ground as you can see in this animation. So such plants are called creeper. They could not stand on stem. Okay, so these are spread on the ground. As you can see in this animation like pumpkin, watermelon, these are the examples of the creeper. And now we are discussing about the next type of plant, that is climber. So some plants with weak stem climb up with the support of other plants or man-made structures. So these plants are called as climber. Like you can see that they have the tendrils, They take the support of the surrounding objects and climb up in vertical direction. As you can see in this animation, you can see the tendril here. And now, what are the examples? Like bitter gourd, pea plant, okay, bean plant, bottle gourd, bougainvillea. So these all are the examples of the climbers. So this was regarding types of plant. Thank you.